What do you think of cotton candy?
It's good. I'm gonna tell Mommy I want some cotton candy. That's yummy. Yummy.
Which is better, the blue stuff or the pink stuff?
This and the blue stuff. Yummy. I have to try this in my life.
What'd you say?
I need to try this in my life.
You never tried this in your life?
No.
The first time?
Because it's so yummy. I still like. I mean cotton candy.
It's pretty good though, hey? Good or great?
Wait. Look at watch. A space thing's too. I need our cotton candy.
Okay.